Okay, so I gotta get to my mom. There's my mom. Hi, mom. Oh, damn it. So, anyways, we're making our own tacos, and you take this little doodaddy thingy right here, and you put a taco in it, and you fry it, and it makes your own tacos. But mom's fucking it up. Oh yeah, go mom. Like that. Cool. There's the tortilla mom broke. I think it'll still work. See, you put this little taco shell in this little thing right here like that, and then it squeezes it gently, and then you fry it, and you get your own hard tacos. Homemade hard tacos. Okay, put it in there. Who gives a fuck if it's broke? I don't care. Yes, just like that. Oh, you're right. And then you put it in the fryer and fry it. Fry it, yes, fry.
Oh, Chi-Chi, shut up! Oh, no.
Piece of shit, it's not working. This thing doesn't fit in here all the way. God damn it.
Yeah.
So it only fries one side at a time. I mean, we could do that, but who wants to do that? We want to fry the whole thing all at once. Yeah. Damn it. All right, we're trying again. We put the oil in a pot, and then because it fits better, and it all go in there at one time. Oh yeah, that's better. Ah yeah, all at once. Fry, you fucker. That's better. Oh yeah, fry. It's working good now. Look, hey, hot tacos. I don't even fuck right down. I'll just eat it. Crunchy. Oh yeah, yes, hot tacos for our shredded chicken. Yeah, look at this cheesy shredded chicken that I cooked in the crock pot. Oh yeah, it's so good. You have some. Oh my god, so good. Mom's gonna make some soft corn tacos too. Oh yeah, they're really good with lots of butter. And I'm gonna make some white folk Mexican corn. Oh yeah, you do a dollop of mayo, a dollop of sour cream, some chili powder, and some Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of cilantro, and you mix it up. Oh my god, it's so good! At least that's how we make it. Yeah! Oh, look at that corn. Yes, yummy. Can you eat some? Hot. Oh yeah. So good, yes! Everything is gonna be good! Yeah, look at those tacos, shredded chicken tacos. Here, look, we got taco holders in the shape of cactuses. Hold your taco up for you so it doesn't fall over. Ah, oh, 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 so good!